remember my account? Yeah, you remember me. You can remember me. Yeah, you can remember me. No. My account got deleted. So I go to me. I'm going to no more to try it all of my account and got deleted. So I'm to tell you how I can delete of my account YouTube. My account is deleted. Dito na nga ako.